Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your Etsy shop, full guide step by step clearly. Setting up your Etsy shop is an exciting journey. Begin by visiting the Etsy website. Click on the sign in button if you already have an account. If you don't have one, click on register to create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to Sell on Etsy at the top of the page. Select Open your Etsy shop to start the setup process. Choose your preferred language for your shop. Next, select your country and enter your currency. Click on Save and Continue to proceed. Now it's time to choose your shop name. Your shop name can be up to 20 characters long. Make sure it's unique and reflects your brand. After you've chosen a name, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll set up your listings. Click on Add a listing to create your first product. Upload high-quality photos of your item. Make sure to take clear images from various angles. Write a detailed title that describes your item accurately. In the description box, provide all necessary details about your product. Include dimensions, materials used, and care instructions. Set your pricing strategy by entering the price of your item. Now, decide on your inventory quantity and SKU if you have one. Set the shipping options next. Choose whether to offer free shipping or set a shipping fee. Select your processing time, which indicates how long it takes to ship after receiving an order. Fill in the shipping destination, either local or worldwide. Once you've entered all the required information, click Save and Continue. You can now set up your payment methods. Choose how you want to receive payments, such as Etsy Payments or PayPal. Fill in your bank account information as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.